Hey you guys, so I'm so excited to bring you guys this video. This is a tutorial on installing the new Sensational drip curl. When I saw Sensational tease this hair on their Instagram page, y'all don't understand the feeling of love. Like, I fell in love with this curl pattern. I was like, bruh, like, I absolutely adore braid outs. And I feel like that's the exact type of curl pattern of this hair. So I was pressed to do an illusion crochet tutorial using this hair. So I went ahead and braided my hair down for an illusion crochet pattern. This is the way I usually braid my hair down. I have braids going straight back. I leave a little bit of leave out just for blending the front and to have baby hairs. And then I go ahead and braid the back in sort of a beehive, but not really. If you guys want to see a foundation for illusion crochet tutorial, how I do my foundational braids, just leave it in the comments and I can do a whole tutorial on that. So this is the hair. I went ahead and pulled each pre-separated piece of the drip curl. I pulled it apart one time. And in the front, to create the illusion, I pulled it apart 3 times. So I did pull the crochet hair apart. So this is what it looks like after I installed 2 pieces. This is basically one pre-looped piece, but I pulled it apart twice, or 1 time, excuse me. So this is what the style is given after 2 pieces have been installed. This is what the style is given after 1 pack has been installed. Now, each pack has 3 bundles of hair in it, and this is what it's looking like. And you guys, I'm going to be honest, this is where I started getting worried because this hair was so huge with only 3 of the bundles installed. And when I do illusion crochets, I do 3 bundles in the back and 2 bundles in the front. And I was getting worried, you guys, because the hair was getting so huge. But I went ahead and keep going because I was determined to do this style for you guys. Like, I was determined. But look how big the hair is, you guys. I was getting worried. So this is the hair fully installed with the illusion. I cut it, I trimmed it, I tried to tame the hair down. I tried to trim it and cut it. I put conditioner on it, I put water on it. Y'all, I had to let it go. I had to let it go. It was just not working. So literally after spending all that time installing the hair, I literally cut it out. Y'all, I was so disappointed. But I redeemed myself. I came back. I did my makeup. I threw on my lashes. And I installed this hair without separating the curls. Because that's really where I went wrong. Not every hair lends itself to the illusion crochet method. And no matter your best efforts, you cannot make hair do what it doesn't want to do or what it was not meant to do. So not every style is suited for illusion crochet. And let me be the one to tell you, drip curl is not suited for illusion crochet, y'all, okay? So you just gonna have to take each piece that's pre-separated, not separated again, and just do your thing, sis, okay? You're just gonna have to make it work, okay? So that's what I did. I literally left each piece alone, installed it normally without pulling anything apart, and this is what she's giving, and she's giving me life. Like, I absolutely love how it's looking. Would I have preferred illusion crochet? Absolutely. But this is still cute. It's still a look. And so this is what it was looking like when I was pretty much almost done. Hey you guys, all right, so we are here. We finally made it. When I tell you this hair was like a journey, have you ever started out on something with one mindset and then literally like everything falls apart and then you have to like reset your mind and like build something new? I feel like this hair has taken me through every emotion you could possibly imagine. Excitement, anticipation, creativity, all the way down to despair and discouragement and just total distress, which was me last night. Literally cutting it out and then starting over again after working on this hair all day. It was disparaging, to say the least, but we have made it. We are here, and we are at a style that I actually would wear outside the house. So yeah, here we are. Now, I still haven't trimmed the hair, and I haven't laid my baby hairs or my edges yet, but I did want to just come to you guys and show you what the hair looks like, literally just straight out the pack and into your head. This is what is given. This is what is given right now. So very cute. It's not my typical way that I like to wear my crochets. To me, this is to like directly from the pack onto my head. So it's not my favorite way to wear my crochets. Is it a wearable way to wear your crochets? Absolutely. Is it still cute? Absolutely. Is it the most natural crochets I've ever done? Absolutely not. But some hair does not lend itself to the illusion method, and I figured out the hard way. This hair does not lend itself to the illusion method, and that's okay. Okay? Because when you start fighting against the nature of the hair, you gotta fight on your hands that you're not gonna win, sis. And I learned that. I lost that fight last night at probably 1 o'clock in the morning. I was like, stop it, cut it out. So here we are, and I'm actually happy with the way this looks. This is giving the look that I was hoping that it would give, and yeah, I'm definitely happy. I'm pleased with this look. It's not what I thought it would be originally, but yeah. So what I'm gonna do is trim this hair up. I'm gonna lay down my baby hairs and come back and chat with you guys a little bit. Okay, so I realized that I kept saying that the hair is not a good candidate for illusion crochet, but I didn't say why. And I think that's important. So let's just talk a little bit about the pros and cons of the Sensational Lulutress drip curl. So the number one con is that the hair is very, very coarse in texture. And number two con is that it's very dry. So if you know anything about kinky hair, one or the other can be pretty difficult to deal with. Both of those together is really a hard thing to overcome. So the hair is definitely beautiful. It has a gorgeous curl pattern, but the texture is just not. I would say the texture, they need to go back to the drawing board and make this texture much softer. And that's why when you get ready to pull the hair apart to create smaller sections from the pre-loop sections, that's why it frizzes up and gets so huge and frizzy and unmanageable. So I think that this hair is gorgeous, and Sensational is really onto something with this hair, because I haven't seen a braid out style crochet hair that is this bomb and this close to 4C braid out hair. I haven't seen it yet. So I think Sensationnel is definitely onto something with this, and I just hope that they continue to perfect this drip curl and make it softer and make it less dry. I also would love to see the ends addressed. I think the most issue with this hair is the ends. And I know that our hair, 4C hair braided out, the ends look like this. But even in our own 4C hair, we've done things to address these dry, straight ends. When we do our braid outs, we put a rod on it, or we put extra moisture on it. We curl the ends of our braid outs so that the ends of our braid outs are not straggly and just hanging. So I would love to see Sensationnel address some of these concerns, but overall I think that this hair, I mean, look at this hair, it's gorgeous. Come on, it's gorgeous. But yeah, those are my critiques. Other than that, I think this hair is fire. If you want to give it a try, I'll leave links down below where you can grab it. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the support. Words can't say enough how much I appreciate you guys. Thank you for sharing my videos and subscribing to this channel. Please continue to do so. I'm definitely on a journey here on YouTube, and your support counts. It matters and it's appreciated. So please click that subscribe. Share this video with a friend. Share it with someone who would look great in this style. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. And I totally forgot to say this earlier, but if you like my lashes, they are available on my beauty supply store. It's an online beauty supply store. It's called GLEEmade. They are available on GLEEmade.com, so definitely click the link down below. Support your sis, support this channel, and grab you a pair of lashes. Alright guys, peace out.